gonna add a little sauce to it, okay? He has extra meat on his plate because he likes extra meat, apparently.
Don't we all?
Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen. Today I am making baked mostaccioli, and it's for Danny's birthday, so I'm making a big batch. So in here, I took out some of the meat because he said he wanted it really meaty, and I didn't want the meat to like soak up all the sauce. So in here,
He likes meat?
shut up. I have browned 2 pounds of hot Italian sausage, a pound of ground beef. I chopped up a whole large onion and about 5 garlic cloves. I chopped them myself. Put those in there with a little olive oil, 3 tablespoons, because it's a big batch, of Italian seasoning. I just salt and pepper to taste. I mean, I know that's not an answer, but I'll write down a recipe that's smaller than this for y'all. In here, I have 2 large cans of whole tomatoes, about 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, and a can of diced tomatoes. And I blend them all together, but then I'm going to add in 1 more can of diced tomatoes to make it a little bit chunkier. But my children don't like it chunky, so I do just a little bit. So I'm going to add this to this mixture.
Don't like what chunky?
You guys didn't like your the spaghetti sauce chunky when you were little. What did he say?
His middle name is Chunky.
Oh, he's an idiot. Fucking idiot. Get your chunky ass in here and unload the dishwasher for me, please. So I'm just adding the tomato sauce. So basically what it is Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, fresh garlic, a large onion chopped. This is 3 cans of tomatoes. And see, like I like it. This is a good consistency of meat to sauce ratio for me. And then we went to the grocery store the other day. The basil was like expensive, wasn't it, Bill?
Yeah.
So I just said, let's just buy the little basil tree. So we did. And I want to pull it out of here because I'm just going to throw what I'm going to do. My cousin Trisha used to always do this. She would just cut off. Oh, hold on. Sorry. A little intermission for a second to go find my scissors.
Are you joking?
No, I'm coming back. Once this comes to a boil, I'm going to cut off like 4 leaves, and I'm just going to lay it on top to flavor it. I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to let it simmer for about an hour. I have 3 pounds of mostaccioli already cooked in a big pan. The next step I'm going to do is going to be mozzarella. I'm going to use 2 bags of mozzarella cheese shredded. I'll show you the measurements. Ricotta cheese and the freshly shredded. I don't think it's grated. I think it's shredded. Parmesan cheese, and make like a mixture. And I'm going to add that into the mostaccioli mix with the sauce. Top it with more cheese and bake it for about 45 minutes. And that's going to be dinner with garlic bread tonight. So when I come back, I'm going to be doing the cheese part. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share, subscribe. Hi, welcome back to Mama Deb's Kitchen. So I have here 3 pounds of mostaccioli. I put in here 2 packages of mozzarella cheese, 1 of Parmesan, and I'm just going to kind of layer this on there with sauce and meat, and then try to mix it and then add that in. I'm going to top it off with more cheese and more meat and bake it, and we're going to eat that. So I'm just going to show you how I do this. And I was just going to say, I forgot to say this on the last, when I was doing my sauce. When I was younger, I used to always think, oh my God, I have to follow this recipe exactly like this person is saying. You don't have to. I mean, you can add mushrooms or bell pepper to your sauce. I don't prefer to do that.
Can you add marshmallows?
You can add marshmallows if you want to add marshmallows to your spaghetti sauce. But you can add mushrooms, you can add bell pepper, you can take out onion. You don't ever have to follow a recipe verbatim. So see, I'm just going to mix this together. And like I said, all I'm using is mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese, the shredded. Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to top it with more mozzarella and Parmesan and bake it on at 350 for about 45 minutes. And I'm going to add that into it. I got to incorporate all this into there. See? And I'm just going to keep scooping and adding and scooping and adding. And then we're going to go in the oven. So when we come back, I'll bring it out of the oven and show you. I make a crispy top on it. That's easy. After you bake it with covered for like 30 to 40 minutes, you just stick it under your broiler for about 3 minutes and the top will get all crispy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Welcome back. I'm here with the birthday boy, 27 today. We have a crowd here, so they're a little loud. So we're doing our taste test right now. Look at this. Come and show them, Bill. Does that look good? I'm going to add a little sauce to it, okay? He has extra meat on his plate because he likes extra meat, apparently.
Don't we all?
Do you want Parmesan on it?
Yeah.
The shredded Parmesan?
Oh, shock.
Yeah.
Shocking she didn't have
Okay,
it
hold on.
already.
Ooh, that looks good. Get that meat. So I get a kiss?
Yes.
Yes.
There you go. Baked Mostaccioli. Looks good. There's garlic bread in the oven too. It's not out yet. Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, share. Happy birthday to Danny Boy. He's 27 today. He's my baby. So subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.